Queen Quet, how are you?
How are you?
We met from you.
I was going to say, you look familiar to me.
Miguel.
What's your name again?
Miguel.
Miguel, and you and Peter?
That's right.
Together, yeah. I was with
Trust.
Peter last night.
That's right. Welcome.
Yes, thank you. I
Welcome
didn't
to
know I
all of
would
you.
see another part of India.
Absolutely.
Hi there.
How are you?
This is Leanne York.
I'm Leanne York.
Leanne.
Yes.
Okay, nice to meet you, Leanne.
Welcome.
Thank you. So you work here?
Yeah, we own the cafe.
You own the
And we
cafe?
run
I was looking at your
Yes.
shirt. Okay.
Yes.
I was going to say we got food today for you.
Well, we're doing the water for everything.
Yes.
Hey, how are you? How are you?
Judge brother, one of the judge brothers after all.
Frank.
Frank.
My capacity here today, I'm here in the area representative, parliamentary representative for the area. He's asked me to represent him to welcome you to Speightstown. So I officially welcome you to Speightstown. And I thought I'd do this poem. I'm going to present the book to you after as well. But I thought I'd do this poem, which was actually compiled by 4 poets from St. Peter.
Oh, excellent.
Right? And we have one other poet here with a poet in the book as well.
Okay.
Right. Now, this one is relevant to Speightstown because it actually written because of state rebellion which took place in Speightstown area in 1675.
What was the name of it?
It was referred to as the Coromantee Rising.
Oh, the Coromantee Rising.
Where the enslaved Coromantee people rose up. And the rebellion was actually quelled, and the people were captured and they were dragged to Speightstown. Some of them were burnt and beheaded.
Wow.
In the streets of Speightstown right here.
Yeah.
Right. And the cry of it was that when they captured them, they wanted to know the others who were not known. And they got and this guy who was the leader, and he said, don't give up the names. Because if they burn you today, they can't burn you tomorrow.
They can't burn you tomorrow.
Right?
Wow.
So the poem is called Rebellion Song. If you roast me today, you can't roast me tomorrow. Big Tony, big and black, take it like a man. He stretch out them big hand, this robust African man. If you roast me today, you can't roast me tomorrow. With a voice that rocked the town, echoing fear in the hearts of the oppressors, the rebellion falls down. Tony cried, beating his head when he see his own black people dead. The fire burning hot and red. Burn, nigga, the white man said. If you roast me today, you can't roast me tomorrow. A slave in a cruel land, dragged from the womb of Africa, destined to a life of chain, binding body and brain. Tony, tears flowed down Speightstown, mingling with the blood, mingling with the sea that washed the walls of the fort. And the people gathered to see a fallen hero, a comrade, big black Tony, holding back water through fire-red eyes. If you roast me today, you can't roast me tomorrow. And the fire blazed and the people screamed, and it was the death of a vision, the death of a dream. Tony and the black freedom fighters get snuffed out like a lamp flame. Puff. All that remained was the stillness, the silence. Then a cold breeze blew across the sea, whispering in quiet sorrow, if you roast me today, you can't roast me tomorrow.
Wow, that's powerful. You wrote that one? Now we're going to be going home saying, if you roast me today, you can't roast me tomorrow. Oh, beautiful. This is awesome.
Also, on behalf of the parliamentary representative, Mr. Colin Jordan, and the people of St. Peter, I present you with this small token as well.
Thank you.
Welcome you to Speightstown.
Thank you, sir.
Beautiful.
I will use the chairperson, Mr. Charles Griffith, to present you with a token. These books were actually they're a collection of poems written by school children right here in Speightstown.
Lovely.
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
Right.
So they're keeping it going.
Yes.
Yes.
That's what we're famous for is St. Peter's.
Yes.
Poets of St. Peter.
Oh, really?
These children are actually between the ages of 7 and 12 years.
Okay.
Well, now it's from school just off the hill.
Yes.
I should go get it. Next time you come, I'll take you there.
Yes, please. Yeah.
Sure. So, try going with you.
Yes.
To the side.
Yes.
Yes.
So I'm very pleased with these and children.
Yeah.
These are really in award when they enter the competitions.
Oh, they have a
Right, the
competition.
competitions are local St. Peter one as well as the national one.
Yes.
NCS.
Yes.
NIFCA.
Yes.
So you have to go.
Oh, great. So I got award-winning poets. How about these two fellas here?
Both of us. Yeah.
Them too? Really? Or they cheat and make their own book? No, I only played. You have another one? Oh, no, I don't. No. So you're giving me rum. One non-alcoholic is giving rum to another non-alcoholic. Okay. Oh, it's pretty. So this one is what kind?
Frank, read it.
This is actually rum and cake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is named after my boys, my twin boys.
Really? Are you serious? Oh, wow. So non-drinker got a rum named after his son. That's wonderful.
You read the inscription?
Let me read the inscription. Let's see. Since they're all over there blocking my light. Let's see. Oh, to Queen Quet. Okay. Presented to Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, on the occasion of your first visit to Speightstown in St. Peter's, Barbados Island. Oh, no, where we have, let's see, where some of the ancestors of, here it is, where some of your ancestors, I'm trying to figure out this word on the end here, founded? What is this one? Or for the, what's this word here? Yeah, I took the bottle funny ways to see it clearly, that's all.
Ancestors, boarded vessels for
Boarded
the
vessels,
Carolinas.
there we go, yeah, boarded vessels for the Carolinas. Yeah, because that's what it was, because there was a line between there and the shade. Okay, boarded vessels for the Carolinas. Really? All right, and then the 21st of June, 2019, barrel number 108. Don't y'all play that number, y'all think y'all sleep. And then it says number 69. And 9 is my number, and 6 is just up, down, 9, upside down 9. Perfect. Oh, outstanding. Wow, Barbados. So tell me, it says St. Nicholas Abbey on the box. Where do they actually make this? There's, no, what I mean is it near? It's near here. Okay.
In the same parish.
Yeah, y'all act like I can't read. I know it says St. Nicholas Abbey. Yeah, okay, so not far from here, this same parish.
We
This is awesome.
actually have a train now.
Really?
Yeah, we have a steam train.
Oh,
And
wow.
if you're here tomorrow,
I'm flying out tomorrow, but I'm coming back next year to tell you.
well,
So then I have to do
come. I have my card and
Please, yeah, so we can stay in touch.
It drawn, that was a card that drawn.
The card that, there's a card drawn. He got another one. It's going in the box. So it won't, that one won't drop. And there's a plaque in here? Oh, awesome. Okay. All right, everyone. Y'all all heard what was on the bottle. So I'm sure you want to hear what's on the plaque, right? Same thing. What's in the bottle. Well, no, I don't anyway. When they get the gifts like that, I have a whole shelf of alcohol that people gave me.
Is it
All from
same
trips around the world. Yes, I'm keeping that, but that one's going to be turned around backwards. So you can read it. Yeah.
It should be the same thing.
It's the same thing? Oh, okay. You say it should be. He said it shouldn't. So let's see if it is. Presented to Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, on the occasion of your visit to Speightstown, St. Peter, Barbados, where some of the ancestors boarded vessels for the Carolinas, June 22nd, 2019. So the dates are different on the bottle in this though. So yeah, oh, awesome.
So we just highlight the two areas.
Oh, great. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, now that makes it clear how close they are. Wonderful. We got more gifts. Okay, so where's the bag for this? Okay, so let's put this back in the bag.
Good to see you, man.
Awesome.
Queen, on behalf of the Barbados National Trust and Arlington House
You
International,
know how much I love books.
we
Yes.
want to very much present you with these two books, The Barbados Carolina Connection, which is
Yes.
the revised edition.
I was going to ask you because I have a paperback.
Yes, there
And
you
this
go.
looks thicker.
This is a new one.
Good.
By the late Warren
And you're
Ali.
going to revise it again next year because I have to be in the book next time.
I will have to speak to Sir Henry Fraser, who's the only survivor of the two authors.
I understand.
Warren Ali is deceased,
Oh,
and
yes.
also we also attach to it our book on historic houses in Barbados.
Outstanding.
Your
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
He knows I love books because we were in Bermuda together. Yes, yes.
Pleasure.
Awesome.
Enjoy your
Okay, out of
visit.
town. Thank
Okay,
you.
and welcome home.
And now the checks. Or the deeds. Deeds.
So that's how you come to.
Next time I get the
you
deed.
will not be a copy.
No, I just been there. I didn't know. But true. I feel like I've been there already. This is wonderful. Thank you so much. But before we go, I want a picture with all of everyone here and everyone that presented me with things. Can you bring all my goodies over